OMG, this tub almost took me out. Hi guys, it's me, Ebonilejoi, and I want to tell you to welcome to my channel. I'm going to do things like clean with me, mothering my girls, and just giving you a little bit of my life. I have two girls, and they have a channel called The Jess Sisters, and if you like to visit their channel, it's in the description below. Go check them out. My first video is going to be a clean with me bathroom cleaning. And guys, I hate cleaning the bathroom, trust me. I even have soap scum on the bath that I couldn't get off. I would get it off for a minute and it comes back. But I think I have found the answer to get rid of it completely. Take a look at my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a great big thumbs up because that always helps me out. Hit that notification bell if you want to get notifications of my next video. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye. Well, wait. First, watch the complete video and then bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tackle my bathroom and here's the before footage of the full bath. Take a look at the baseboards. There's the bathtub. It's totally ruined. There's a mess from the girls. The door is currently under construction. I'm going to paint it white. Take a look at everything that I've taken out of the bath already. Here's a look at the rug. I can never keep this black rug clean. Okay, it's time to check out the toilet. Check behind the toilet. Ooh, gross. The window shield. It's just so many things needs to be done. So here are my light bulbs. I love them, but there's so much dust on the light bulbs. And I have these little flower things. I'm going to get rid of them. And look at the dirt up here. Never thought to look above this cabinet. It's me. Let's strike a pose before the fun begins. Let's start by taking down the shower curtain so I can give it a good wash in the machine. Next, I'm going to take down the clear liner and I will just purchase a new one from Walmart. Ooh, gross. This thing needs to go. Okay, onto the toilet so I can let it soak for a minute. It's mask time. All of these chemicals, I need to protect myself. Okay, a nice little wipe down of the vanity. Check out my awesome waist trainer. Since I didn't have time to work out, this would do. Now it's time to clean my storage cabinet. I guess it's time to tackle the toilet. I literally use so many different cleaning wipes when doing this process. Be sure to clean under the toilet. This is so gross to me. Oh yeah, have to tackle that dirt above the mirror. Ew. Ew. Dun 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 dun. It's time to tackle the tub. Okay, the picture isn't all that great, but this is when I thought this was going to be the death of me. No matter how much I clean this, I have to do it often. I finally came up with a solution. Try using a knife. There was so much chemical buildup that it would go away and come right back within a week. Finally, I think I found my answer. It's kind of an arm workout, so that's an extra bonus there. OMG, what have I gotten myself into? Okay, I got that all cleaned out. It's a progress, guys. Just keep watching. Okay, now I'm going to use this simple seal and these things. Let's see if I can keep a nice steady hand. Once you're done, you're going to take a cleaner wipe and clear off any extra. Take a look, the queen has done it. Now I'm going to use this silver touch-up paint to paint over the faucet. I've done this before previously and it holds up pretty well. I think I did it around 2 years ago and it wasn't that bad. I just wanted to redo it since I was doing such a deep clean. Oops, beware of splatters. Take care of those ASAP. Take a look at the shower head. Okay, it's perfect again. Okay, time to do the outside of the tub now. Oh yeah, it's finally clean. Oh yeah, it's finally clean. Time to put everything back in its place. I almost forgot to sweep. A little glass cleaner. Oh yeah, I have to iron my shower curtain. And we're here, the new and improved clean bathroom. Top of the mirror, check. Toilet, check. nicely ironed shower curtain. And last but not least, my favorite part of the whole thing, the bath. It's safe to say the fun is over. Bye, guys. Here's our trip to Walmart.
Jayla, show me what we got for the bathroom today. We got these.
Got these. These are for to hold the curtain.
Okay, and we got these.
We got these. So those for this, it has these little things, and then it go in those.
Okay, good. We got these.
So these are the toothpaste things. Toothbrush.
And we got this one.
And we got our sink. The bathroom sink.
Good job. Is that it?
Yeah.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check back for my next video and give me a great big thumbs up. Thank you.